You don't get paid for what you know. You actually get paid for the problems that you can solve for an organization. I continue to do so much hard work for my organization. I spend long hours. I'm running around all the time. I'm talking to so many people. But the biggest question is, are you really a replaceable resource in the company? If you were to go away tomorrow, could you easily be replaced with somebody else? If that's the case, then that is something that you need to look and explore, because essentially you are somebody who can be replaced. It is actually paradoxical, because in a business, when you're running your own business, you want to be in a situation that you can leave and work that should actually stop while you are away. But if you're working for somebody, you want it to be the real opposite, because the moment you step away and you're not there for 2 weeks and everything continues to work as it was working, then it means that you are the replaceable in the whole picture. So if you want to, for selfish purposes, if you want to be in a situation where you're not replaceable, then ask yourself the question: if I were to go away for the next 2 weeks, would I be missed? Or is there anything that can continue on without my being there? Your value actually results for an organization. If you are in a place where you solve problems, you are providing clarity around decisions that need to be made, or you're providing clarity on difficult problems, and to make complex things more simpler for the organization and its stakeholders, for them to wrap their head around that. If you are being able to do that, then that means that you are an irreplaceable resource. You will continue to be in demand. But especially with the advent of AI, if you feel that any of your skills that you are doing is going to get easily replaced, then rethink yourself and reinvent yourself. Try to find yourself in a position where you cannot be replaced. Anyway, hope this was useful, and thank you for watching.